Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Castillo here. Welcome to the Facebook Live. And if you're watching this from YouTube, welcome to Castillo's Freedom Breakthrough YouTube channel, the place to come to be inspired. In today's video, I want to share with you free traffic versus paid traffic. Is it one or the other? The answer to that question can be found out in today's video if you decide to stick around all the way through until the very end. So, if this is your first time here and you're watching this from the Facebook Live, don't forget to follow me on Facebook by hitting that follow button on my profile. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, some hearts, and share this out to the world. And if you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I roll out some new content. Lately, I've been talking to a lot of people on social media, a lot of them which are already marketers and already running and promoting some kind of online business. But I've been noticing a commonality between most of these people. And that commonality is most of these marketers that get started in this kind of industry are so focused on this form of traffic, or it's the other form of traffic. They either focus on just like one over the other and vice versa. And most of these marketers are picking free marketing to start out with because a lot of them don't have that much money to invest up front. So a lot of these marketers are solely focused on free marketing. The problem with free marketing is sometimes free is the more expensive option, as I learned from one of my mentors. Now, free marketing can absolutely work, but another problem with free is something that I learned from a mentor of mine a long time ago is you either have money or you have time. But if you have time, you'll need to invest a lot of time into free marketing. Not only you have to learn how the free marketing strategy, whatever you're leveraging to promote your business, not only you have to learn how it works, but you also have to be consistent on taking daily action every single day so that you can be closer to generating results that you want in your business. But what if you have little to no money to invest right now? What if you have little to no capital to invest right now in your business and you can't afford to get coaching? What if you have a business opportunity that you're already in, regardless of whatever it is that you're promoting, but you're not getting the kind of results that you want in your business? So a couple of conversations that I recall having, one guy is a stay-at-home dad who told me that he's been in online affiliate marketing since 2011. And from the conversation, I learned that he's only been focused on leveraging Facebook for his business opportunity that he's promoting. And I asked him if he's been getting the kind of results that he wants for his business. And he told me, no, I'm not getting the kind of results that I want. I know it can be better, but I'm gonna move on to TikTok instead and see if that fares any better. Hold on a moment. Why would you want to move on to another form of marketing strategy when you haven't even mastered the one that you've been working on? Now, another conversation that I've been having with somebody else who is just as young as me and who has been marketing for some time, I've noticed from the conversation, he's been kind of doing something similar to what the stay-at-home dad was doing. Now, I asked him if he's been leveraging free marketing or paid marketing. And I have gathered from our conversation, he's been leveraging free marketing. And he's been doing all these free marketing strategies and has only been getting little to no results in his business. And he hasn't been too happy with that. So with that said, if this sounds very much like you right now, don't feel like you're alone. Because there are a lot of people out there that have no clue what they're doing in their business. They don't know what to do. So should it really be a debate about whether free traffic is better, whether paid marketing should be better? Is it really one or the other? What's the answer to this? The answer is, as I learned from my mentors, Ace and Rich, you want to leverage both. Now, why do you want to leverage both free traffic and paid traffic? The reason why you want to leverage both free and paid traffic is because so that you don't leave out any potential earnings that you could potentially earn, potential results that you could be generating. Now, I say potential because I'm not guaranteeing you here any kind of results that you're going to make any kind of income if you decide to start promoting a business opportunity, whatever it may be. But I'm putting it out there because you want to leverage both, because so that you can maximize your leverage. And with leveraging both, this is what you want to do. You want to leverage both free and paid traffic. You want to pick one form of paid marketing, one form of free marketing. Get good at those forms of marketing, those strategies. Don't move on to anything else until you get results with it. Now, that can be hard for some people to grasp. A lot of people are under the impression, thinking that not only do they have to learn this 30,000 foot view of the business, but they also feel like all these different strategies and tactics that they're learning, that they're being taught by these 6, 7, multiple 7-figure earners and so on and so forth, they feel like they have to do every single strategy and tactic out there. The truth is, the great thing about this industry, you don't need to have everything figured out up front. Just keep it stupid simple for yourself. That's what you want to do. You want to keep it stupid simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Lots of people are overcomplicating this. Hence why 97% in this industry fail. But you don't want to be part of that 97%. You can be better than that. In fact, if you want to learn how you can start leveraging free marketing and paid marketing, learn what you need to do right now so that you can get into results mode, this is what I want you to do. If you're watching this from the Facebook Live and you'd like more information on that, be sure to drop me a comment down below this live video, the words "I'm interested." I'll reach out to you on Messenger and I'll inbox you the details. If you're watching this from YouTube, this is what I want you to do. There will be a link directly below this video in the video description box. Click on that link for my #1 recommendation for making money online. Opt in with your best email. You'll be redirected to a page with a video presentation. Watch that, lock in your spot as soon as possible. So, with that said, this is Castillo here. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video today. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time it is that you're watching this from, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Take care.